Jordi, you've made a UAV, is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Basically, it's Arduino-based UAV. We are using all the features Arduino, open source, easy to use in the environment. That's also open source. And I mix it with some components, fail-safe system to make it safe and be able to adapt it to aircraft with GPS, inertial sensors, orientation, and radio modem to send telemetry to the ground station in real time. And you can use it for fun, photographic stuff, or whatever you want. So this is basically the setup. You have the GPS here. For her GPS set information, this is the differential pressure sensor to measure the airspeed. You have here the orientation sensor, just to know if you are rolling or pitching. And inside here is the tiny Arduino chip, is the flight computer. Is making all the calculations necessary to pulse the servo. The servo is the actuator to move the elevator and the rudder. And also the motor, so also control the speed.
Where is it?
And here you can see the XD sensor is 900 megahertz version, and it's sending like 5 miles range of telemetry. And we can go to here. We can see here in Google Earth our position in real time. This is our position right now.
So these are
Maker here.
So what happens?
And you have another window here with all the basic telemetry like battery level, the airspeed. You have the altitude, the sire heading, the bedding, and ground speed, and another information for waypoint and debugging. So this is basically my system.
And so you're also using like standard remote control airplane stuff, is that correct?
Yeah, that's correct. So, when you are landing or taking off, and for legal reasons, you need a radio control. So the radio control will let you fly the aircraft manually in case of emergency or your code isn't working fine. And when you are ready and enough altitude, you can switch to autopilot just like this. And I develop a fail-safe system. If you go far away from the range of the radio control and you lose radio, or you have no battery, for example, you switch it off, the autopilot will kick in. So we'll try to...
So then it'll return home?
Yes, we'll bring back the airplane for you.
Wow, so you basically fly the airplane, you have a good time flying it, and then you say, okay, come on back home, and it does that. That's neat.
Yes,
now,
correct.
If somebody wants to find out more information about your project, where do they go?
All the information, tutorial, ground station is open source, and you can download it with information in DIYdrones.com. So
this is an airplane.
you're gonna see over there all you need, all our community helping you if you have questions, and all the information.
And you have kits as well?
We are preparing a kit. We are getting the parts slowly.
So you have parts of it, like you've got the circuit board here.
And the circuit board is developed for a Spark Fun, by a Spark Fun. And I also developed a small shield to add more components and another feature, like this one, pressure sensor.
And then you put like...
And that's all basically what we need. Also preparing all the harnesses and cables to easily interface with the sensors. So it's going to be ready like in 1 month, I think so. It's going to be for sale.
So a bunch of it's off the shelf. And then a little bit of it you've had to create some of the other things. So that's great.
Thank you.
All right. Well, thank you very much. And DIYdrones.com, is that right?
That's correct. See
All right.
you there then. Bye-bye.
Thank you.